welcome to another episode of Chao on Tour. This time we are at Dubai Mall in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And because I'm here and I like visiting this particular coffee shop, we are at Percent Arabica in Dubai. Now, this branch is the first of the currently 14 branches in Dubai, 14, not just one. And in this mall itself, they have 2 branches. So that's an amazing number of branches in such a small place. So today, I am going to be trying their coffee and then reviewing how they taste like, especially comparing it with the ones in Thailand. And also I've been to the one in the Philippines. This is the 3rd country where I am visiting a Percent Arabica. Come and join me. Hello. In Thailand we say Sawadika.
Yes, thank you so much. Welcome.
Yeah, this is Mr. Kedar. He's the manager of this branch.
So basically, this is the first store in UAE. We started on 2016 on September this month. So yes, we started from here, and then now currently we are having 14 branches all over UAE. So good moments over here, good customers so far, and we have one of the best unique concept that we serve. And also about the drinks, we have very simple drinks and very unique drinks that people really likes our concept plus drinks.
So I mean, normally you have very little items on your menu.
Yes.
What's special in this branch?
Yeah, so see, our concept is to be simple always.
Okay.
So that we highlight only the requirement what customers need. So basically, we don't do cappuccino or something like that in the menu. Okay. But we have latte and our beans that is specialized only for those kind of coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have matcha, we have honey latte, we have dark latte. Yeah, that is as per the requirement or demand of the customers. Yes.
So do you think that in the UAE they prefer more milky coffee or just black?
See, we serve most of the time, we serve espressos or black coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, most of the locals, they like plain black.
Oh really?
Yes, plain black.
More
Yes.
than milk.
Yes.
Milky coffee.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but some of the customers, they like also sweet with sugar. So we have designed our coffee into Spanish latte.
Spanish latte.
Yeah, Spanish latte, it contains a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, but the taste is well balanced.
Okay, I look forward to that. I mean, Spanish latte seems to be very popular
Yes.
in this part of the world. I mean, Percent Arabica everywhere, they offer Spanish latte.
Yes, yes.
But I'm interested in your dark latte. Tell me about it.
Dark latte is basically, it comes with a dark chocolate, a little bit of sweetness, and it balanced with coffee and milk. So it becomes a chocolatey coffee.
Like a mocha.
Yeah, similar to mocha, we can say that.
That is missing in the branches in Thailand. They don't offer that.
Yes.
And your honey latte?
Honey latte comes with honey, and we add a little bit of cinnamon.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
yeah. That gives you very intense balance of honey and cinnamon with the coffee.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, so this is my first time here and I would like to try 3 drinks. One is the dark latte.
Dark latte?
Yes, and then the honey latte and your matcha, please.
And the matcha.
Yes.
Okay. For the dark latte, you want it hot or iced?
I'd like it to be iced, and for the honey latte, the hot, please.
Which size would you like?
Just the small cups. Thank you.
For the dark latte, it's a combination of chocolate, sweet sauce, and espresso.
Okay.
And you said you want to try honey latte?
Yes.
Combination of honey and cinnamon.
Oh, okay. The honey latte is a combination of honey and cinnamon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the dark chocolate, is it sweet?
Yes, ma'am. It's like mocha. It's similar to mocha.
Okay, similar to mocha. I'm excited to try. And your matcha?
Matcha, it's organic from Japan.
Okay, organic from Japan. And the price is about 26
Like for
dirhams.
the matcha?
Yeah.
It's check the price. For the smaller one, it's 25.
25 dirhams.
And the
Right.
big one is 26. Just 1 dirham.
1 dirhams more.
Yes.
And when the small, what size is that? Which
Yeah,
size
this
is
is the
smaller?
size.
Oh, okay.
Small and the big.
can reserve this seat, please.
Sure, I can keep your bag there.
Put it back.
Oh, something.
Dark latte, wow, it looks amazing. Can't wait to try it. Honey latte, well done, beautiful. I'm sure everybody loves my job. My job is to give this delicious drink a taste. Well, this is percent Arabica in Dubai, and I have been served 3 drinks. First one is I think this one is the honey latte. So it's espresso with milk and blended with honey and cinnamon. Wow, smells good. Oh my God, wow. The taste of this is very oriental. You know, the cinnamon taste is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I don't think I've had a drink with cinnamon like this, really smooth, not very overpowering. And the taste of the honey just complements this drink. I think this is something that I will definitely try and make. And the taste of the coffee is amazing. Apparently they make they roast their beans, and then the house blends will only be fresh. That means within 7 days, and they keep changing it. So I can taste that freshness. The coffee bean is absolutely delightful. And this is just the house blend. I wonder if I go a little bit more premium, I'm sure it will be even better than this. But this tastes really, really good. Now let's try the dark latte, which is equivalent to a mocha. Now the percent Arabica shops that I've been to, they didn't offer mocha, but apparently according to the manager, it is commonly offered here because people in this part of the world, in Dubai and the Middle East, they do like their coffee with chocolate and a little bit on the sweet side. Right. I must say I couldn't taste the chocolate. It was a very, very slight hint of chocolate here. I could taste the coffee more, which is really good. If I were to compare this to both coffee-based drinks, I think I would really, really recommend the honey latte. Something that I've never tried before, and I really liked it. Okay, and now for the matcha. Beautifully presented. These are all in small cups of 12 ounces. Well, the color of the matcha is good. I like it. It's green color, vibrant green. It means it's not the culinary type matcha. So I'm sure it will taste good. But then there's only one way to find out, is it? Oh wow. I am a matcha connoisseur. I really, really love matcha. Matcha, and I must say that this one really goes to the top of my standard. So there you go, 3 delicious drinks from Percent Arabica here in Dubai, at Dubai Mall, and I'd say I cannot fault any one of them. The dark latte, I think that it just tastes of something darker than the normal latte because of the chocolate, but I could hardly taste the chocolate. Maybe that's the whole idea. You get the aftertaste of coffee. But my recommended drink, honey latte. Honey and cinnamon with your regular latte. Perfect combination. So if ever you're in Dubai Mall, do stop by Percent Arabica. I'm very pleased. The staff are absolutely very hospitable, very amiable. The manager is very knowledgeable about the whole system of Percent Arabica, and it is a delight to be here. So I think they've done a great job, especially with 14 branches. That's all I would like to share with you today. I hope that you will stay tuned for more of these episodes of Chao on Tour. Next stop, we don't know where, but it's going to be a definite coffee shop. I'll see you again. Stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.